Hiya, it's IJ back now. I'm super excited to share this amazing product with you guys. It's the Mary Kay lip lacquer. It's fun, it's amazing. I'm really loving this product, and I'm just rocking the cherry today. Look at that. It comes as a set of 3. So it comes in a kit, and you have 3 products on it in this beautiful, lovely box. But the magic about this product is it doesn't come off. Look. It doesn't. One bit, and you can get that for £29. Comes in 3 different shades. You have the cherry I'm rocking, you have plum at the back of my hand, and you have the rose. So you can get the 3 of them. If you're looking to get one, you can get one for £27 from me. Just today's offer is payday offer for you. Payday offer for you. Yes, there's too many bills to pay, I know that, but you know, you can get this and treat yourself. So for all the parties and weddings, you can drink from your glass without thinking if it's gonna rub off. I've got my bottle of water and I'm gonna do a test for you live. None. It doesn't come off, it doesn't rub off, it stays the same whole day. Thanks for watching. Please share, and if you need the lip lacquer, check out on my Mary Kay website at marykay.co.uk/IOFOEGBU. I'll drop it down as well, and you can go and shop. Go for the lip lacquer. It's fun, it's amazing, it works, it's magical, unbelievable, people say. And to take this off, you need the eraser. So first step is to put the color that you want, allow it for few seconds, and then put the sealer, which is the white one, and then go straight and put on the eraser if you want to take it off at home. So tap. If you're tired of your lipstick coming off at work, or parties where you have to put on again, or drink a cup of water and then there's your lip shape all over the place, or kids, your husband can even kiss you because you put all the colors all over him, this will work for you. All right, so go order yours today. It's limited edition. When it goes, it goes. Take care. Bye bye. Ciao. IJ here.